going on. The majority of people are appalled at what's going on and support the Palestinians. We've come together because we want to live in a country that speaks up for justice, for peace, for human rights. We want to live in a country that funds its health service properly, its housing properly, and gives young people not a life of debt, but a life of opportunity. And at the moment, we're heading on into another war. Bombing of Yemen, what's going on in Lebanon, the Navy in the Mediterranean, British vessels in the Red Sea, and so on. Yet another war coming. And arguments to raise defence expenditure 2% of GDP, 2.5%, 3%, and going on, whilst all our public services are underfunded. Fundamentally, at the centre of the whole search for peace across the whole region is the injustice that's been done to the Palestinian people for the past 75 years. So let us send this message out. We've come together.